Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Nature's Garden Trill Mix. This one is the Omega 3 Deluxe Mix that has, this one has a blend of cranberries, walnuts, pitas, almonds, pecans, and pistachios. I'll let you see the nutrition facts on this, then I'll open it up so you can see what it's like. But it has a good amount in here to satisfy your cravings for some nuts and to have a good healthy snack. I do like this trail mix and I do highly recommend it. As you can see, the nuts and cranberries and stuff in here, they look pretty good and they're delicious and they're fresh. So I highly recommend this brand, and I hope that this review helps.